Babybus.
It's not working. Please ask Dad or Mom for help. Start downloading. You can play the game after a while. Downloading. Let's try something else. Download is complete. Let's start playing the game. My teeth are crooked and I can hardly eat apples. Let me check your teeth. Open your mouth. Ah! The teeth are so dirty. Brush them clean first. Spit out the foams when you rinse your mouth. Check the teeth. Drag the machine and aim at the stars to take it. The teeth are all crooked. Corrective treatment with braces is needed. Cleaning gels can make teeth smoother. Clean away the dirty gel. Put the brackets in the right place. Attach wire to the teeth. Straighten the wire and your teeth will become even. Straighten the wire and your teeth will become even. Put the rubber band in the right place. Treatment is finished. Put on braces and the teeth will be in perfect alignment after a while. Brush your teeth regularly. even after you put on braces, so that your teeth can stay clean and even. Amazing! You've got a badge of even teeth. Badges collected can be displayed here.